Since the very first release of the latex printer, the 25.5 in low volume, we have had a product. I think the product has been a bit overlooked. It's been very successful, but I want to reintroduce it because it has a lot of value. This is the HP PVC-free Wallpaper. I prefer to call it the HP PVC-free self-adhesive wallpaper because its inherent characteristic is that it has a paste right on the back of it, and it is easily activated with water, and that allows you to put this up on a wall and to slide it into place. For a DIYer or somebody that's new to wall coverings, this is probably the easiest product to use. Traditional commercial paste wall covering, as well as peel and stick adhesive, are going to take a little more skill. There are a lot of YouTube videos about this product. It is easy to use. Don't confuse it with our durable wall covering. That is a type 2 product and requires paste. This is a type 1 PVC-free. It's also paper-based, but it is self-adhesive wallpaper. This is easy to use. It's especially easy for people that are new, and I highly recommend it. Many people use this, especially where they can't control the wall surface or the paint is irregular or any number of factors like that, because it tends to have a very consistent, easy-to-use adhesive versus some peel and stick adhesive wall coverings, which, depending on the circumstances, may come off the wall. With this, you get it wet, I slide it in place, I use a sponge and I tap everything down, I put the next panel up, line it up perfectly, and then I do the same thing. When you want to remove it, all you have to do is get it nice and wet, and it will peel right back off the wall. I then take a squeegee and clean up any of the residual paste, and then I put something else up. I have many people that are using this product as a temporary solution. Well, they'll put something up for 6 months or a year, and then they come in and take it down again. It's an easy-to-use product. It looks great. It's PVC-free, and it is the HP PVC-free wallpaper. I call it the self-adhesive wallpaper. That will be listed in the description under the heading. Great product, highly recommended, definitely easy to use. It's a good place to start to get your feet wet in wall covering.